All of the learning modules helped me to develop a tangible foundation to confidently navigate my research and projects. Hello, I am Samuel Aja Alegria, an American currently living in Brazil. I am a multidisciplinary artist, AI/ML researcher and developer, and a creative systems engineer. Collectively, I have over 30 years of experience in the creative field. I took this class because I saw the value of removing the application of coding from the learning process so I can focus on the concepts, techniques, and methodologies involved in the AI/ML landscape. My learning experience was fantastic. There's a lot of information. From the MIT faculty lectures, the mentoring and hands-on session with the software and the projects, all of the learning modules helped me to develop a tangible foundation to confidently navigate my research and projects. My favorite part of the program was the mentoring sessions, because we could get into deep conversation about the AI/ML techniques. This allowed us to really explore our ideas and share with our fellow cohort members. I really learned the value of data prep, cleaning, and exploration. Without well-designed data, it is impossible to create a formidable machine learning model. I plan on implementing this knowledge by focusing on designing my data in creative ways so I can procure creative and meaningful results. My advice to you: organize your note-taking systems, build a database for the course, and go deep. There's a lot of information at your disposal, so being well organized will help you to absorb as much as possible in the moment.